Hey everyone, Joel Hughes from Glass Mountains here, your WordPress specialist. What I wanted to demo today was a plugin service you can use to make logging into your website a little easier. Now there's quite a few services and facilities out there which do this, but I came across this one earlier and I thought, you know what, that looks nice, so why don't we have a look at that one on the Glass Mountains site. So first off, let's see a little demo of how this actually works in real life. The app at the moment is called, not at the moment, they're not changing the name, it's called Trusona, and there was a little demo, I think, on their homepage. Watch quick video. Yeah, here we go. And you see in this demo, there's like a pretend website, Trusona, and there's your pretend smartphone on there. You've installed the app. I've installed it on my phone. So you'll go to your website, WordPress, click login, watch what happens. This page pops up and a unique QR code. It says there's scan in the mobile app. Then you launch the app and I think it's got some sort of scan camera option on it. And obviously what you do then, you hold it over the QR code and what happens next? The app then says, do you want to accept it? You click yes. And automatically it makes a nice pingy noise and go into the website. Okay, that sounds fair enough. Why don't we give it a go? Right, so let's crack on over to the website. I can't see plugins, I'm being dense, there it is. Add new plugin. Sorry for the traffic. We're going to search for Trusona, if I can spell it. Oh, there it is. Install it. It's installing, it's having a little think. We'll activate it, of course. We need to activate it for anything to happen. Then it should take us to the settings page, where there isn't a lot to do. Oh, it doesn't take us to the settings page, of course. Settings. Not a lot to do. I'd ignore these really. The first one is sort of, you can only log in via Trusona. Obviously you only want to check that when you're sure you can log in. And I probably only want to check that still if you've got a good relationship with whoever looks after your website or your website hosting company, so that if something goes wrong, they can get into the back end and get their way in for you. So let's leave that as it is for the moment. And I don't even understand what the next one is about account creation. I don't think it applies to most people, so I'm not even going to worry about that. So that's all we've done. We've installed it. Now what you want to do, and I can't demo this I'm afraid because the screen sharing doesn't work on my phone. You want to install the Trusona app on your phone, which is dead straightforward. There's not much to do. But when it asks you to create your account on the app, the thing you want to bear in mind is the email address you need to use is the same as the one used on the website. So that's what we use on the website here. And it says actually, please add that to your app. Now let's try and log in. So I'll do it from incognito so we know we're not logged in. We'll go to the front end of the website. Let's go to the admin section. It'll throw me now to the login page. Whilst it's doing that, I'm going to log into the phone. Let's find the Trusona app, which in the way of Blue Peter I installed earlier. I'll say login via Trusona. There's a scan button. Don't know if your camera can pick me up here. Oh, that's it. I try to hold that, and by doing it, it scanned it. It says the accept comes up. I click yes. Hello, makes a nice noise. It's still thinking about it. And in a second, we should be logged in to the back end of our website. Wow. What do you make of that? Pretty straightforward, eh? I like it. So if you fancy having to go with that yourself, why don't you? As I say, try to make sure you've got a good relationship with whoever supports your website, or maybe get them to do it. just in case if anything goes wrong, you've got a get out of jail free and you can get things resolved. Of course, you can always hire us. We do a pay-as-you-go service to fix anything. I'd rather us not fix things caused by this video though. But yeah, I'll drop the link in for our pay-as-you-go service below. And also I should give a mention to our Facebook group where we chat about websites and WordPress and all that stuff. It's aimed very much at businesses and non-techies. So if you're a business owner who looks after a WordPress site and wants a bit of common sense advice as to what to do, that's a good place to go. The main thing we use the Facebook group for is the monthly WP show. It's a Facebook live event where I get a guest on and we talk about different topics. We've had somebody talking about SEO and content before, about GDPR. Coming up, we've got SEO keyword research, if you can say it. We've got website speed performance with Andy Davis. We're going to have somebody from WordPress.com. So lots of interesting people coming up. Lots of things for you to learn there about WordPress. And there we go. Thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye, guys.